Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add reminder to your Instagram post. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a post on my Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button, and for instance, I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to add this photo to my Instagram post, and then we can click on next, and here you will be able to add text or music to your Instagram post, but I'm just going to skip that step, so I'm going to click on next. Okay, and if you want to add reminder to your post, you can select add reminder, then you can type in the event name. I'm just going to type family gathering. Let's say I want to create a family gathering, and I'm going to remind my followers about this event. Then we can add the start time. I'm just going to pick this date. Okay, and for the time, I'm going to add 4 p.m. Okay, then we can click on done, and you can click on this check mark to save the reminder. Okay, and once you're ready to share this Instagram post, you just need to click on share, and then your post will be uploaded to your Instagram with a reminder. Alright guys, then that's all the way to add reminder to our Instagram post. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.